Geda gedi geda oh.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Labanang Alyaw Ready Itaw Mania Itaw Mania Itaw Mania.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Emre Al-Ghifari, NPM saya 264111085. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan materi tentang biaya produksi dan mekanisme biaya produksi dan jenis pasar. Baik, di sini saya akan menjelaskan materi tentang production cost, cost mechanism, and types of market atau biaya produksi, mekanisme biaya produksi, dan jenis pasar. Oke, langsung saja kita masuk ke materinya. Introduction. Every company has one main goal, which is to earn profit while satisfying customers' needs. To achieve this goal, companies must manage their production activities efficiently. Dalam proses produksi, perusahaan mengeluarkan berbagai biaya yang disebut production cost. Biaya ini harus dikendalikan agar perusahaan dapat menghasilkan produk dengan kualitas yang baik, namun tetap memperoleh keuntungan. Selain biaya produksi, perusahaan juga harus mengetahui market structure atau jenis pasar. Setiap jenis pasar memiliki karakteristik yang berbeda, sehingga strategi bisnis yang digunakan juga berbeda. Learning objectives: understand the meaning of production cost, explain the mechanism of production cost, identify different types of market, understand how production costs and market structure influence business decision. Production cost. What is production cost? Apa sih production cost? Production cost is all expense incurred by a company to produce goods or service. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, biaya produksi adalah seluruh pengeluaran yang digunakan selama proses menghasilkan suatu produk hingga siap dijual kepada konsumen. Production cost is very important because it affects selling price, company profit, business efficiency, competitiveness in the market. If production costs are too high, the company may lose customer because the selling price become expensive. Types of production cost. Types of production cost. 1. Fixed cost atau biaya tetap. Fixed cost is a cost that remains the same regardless of production volume. Contohnya, factory rent, manager salary, insurance, building tax, maximum depreciation. Misalnya, perusahaan membayar sewa pabrik sebesar 20 juta per bulan. Walaupun perusahaan hanya memproduksi sedikit barang, biaya tersebut tetap harus dibayar. Dan yang kedua, variable cost atau biaya variabel. Variable cost change depending on the amount of production. Example, raw materials, direct labor, electricity, packaging, and then fuel. Semakin banyak barang yang diproduksi, semakin besar pula biaya variabel yang dikeluarkan perusahaan. Dan yang ketiga, total cost atau biaya total. Total cost is the sum of fixed cost and variable cost. Formula. Total cost sama dengan fixed cost plus variable cost. Example, fixed cost sama dengan Rp 15 juta, variable cost sama dengan Rp 25 juta, total cost sama dengan Rp 40 juta. Importance of production cost. Why is production cost important? Production cost plays an important role in business management because it helps companies determine the selling price, calculate business profit, control unnecessary expense, improve production efficiency, make better business decisions, increase competitiveness. Without proper cost management, a company may experience financial losses even if sales are high. Production cost mechanism. The production cost mechanism explains how costs are created during the production process. Step 1. Purchasing raw material. Perusahaan membeli bahan baku seperti kayu, tepung, kain, besi, atau plastik. Discrete raw material cost. Step 2. Production process. Bahan baku diproses menggunakan mesin dan tenaga kerja. Biaya muncul antara lain labor cost, machine maintenance, electricity cost, fuel cost, and then factory overhead. Step 3. Finished goods. Setelah proses produksi selesai, barang menjadi finish product. Kemudian, perusahaan menghitung seluruh biaya produksi. Step 4. Selling price. Perusahaan menentukan harga jual berdasarkan biaya produksi dan keuntungan yang diinginkan. Selling price sama dengan production cost plus profit margin. Example of production cost calculation. Example, factory A producer 5.000 notebook. Fixed cost rent sama dengan 10 juta, manager salary sama dengan 5 juta, total fixed cost sama dengan 15 juta. Variable cost, paper 18 juta, ink 4 juta, packaging 3 juta, total variable cost 25 juta. Total cost 15 juta ditambah 25 juta yaitu sama dengan 40 juta. Jadi cost per unitnya 40 juta dibagi 5.000. Dan hasilnya sama dengan Rp 8.000. If the company wants a profit of 2.000 per notebook, selling price harga jualnya adalah Rp 10.000. Types of market. Market is a place where buyers and sellers interact to exchange goods and services. There are 4 main types of the market. Perfect competition, many buyers and sellers, homogeneous products, easy market entry, price determined by the market. Example, traditional vegetable market. Monopoly. Only one seller, no close competitors. Company control price, high barrier to entry. Example, electricity provider oligopoly. Only a few large companies. Strong competition. Companies complete through advertising, innovation, and pricing. Example, smartphone companies, car manufacturer, airlines, monopoly competition, many sellers, similar product but different brands, competition through quality, design, and promotion. Example, restaurant, coffee shop, and then fashion brand. Comparison of market types. Key difference. Perfect competition has the highest level of competition. Monopoly has the least competition. Oligopoly is dominated by a few large firms. Monopolistic competition offers product differentiation to attract customers. Conclusion. Production cost is one of the most important factors in business because it directly affects the selling price, company profit, and overall efficiency. Biaya produksi terdiri dari fixed cost, variable cost, dan total cost. Perusahaan harus mengelola biaya tersebut secara efektif agar dapat memperoleh keuntungan yang maksimal. Selain itu, memahami production cost mechanism membantu perusahaan mengetahui bagaimana biaya terbentuk mulai dari pembelian bahan baku hingga produk siap dijual. Finally, understanding types of markets enable companies to choose the right business strategy, improve competitiveness, and respond to customer needs effectively. Sekian materi dari saya. Terima kasih.
Tiki, tiki, tiki.